Hello my dear student, today in this video we are going to learn about the torque and principle of moments. Okay, so what is the torque? How the torque is exerted on the body? So suppose that if any object is in rotational motion about a fixed point, that is the torque is exerting on it. Suppose a body is, this is the body is rotated about a fixed point. Suppose this is d डिस्टेंस या r डिस्टेंस के अबाउट क्या कर रही है, रोटेट हो रही है, रोटेशनल मोशन में है अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. देन द टॉर्क इज एक्सर्टिंग ऑन इट. इट मीन्स whenever we apply the force on it, it will move about its rotational axis. This is the rotational axis, this is the fixed point. इस पॉइंट के अबाउट इस फोर्स का क्या होने लगता है, रोटेशन होने लगता है, मोमेंट होने लगता है. दैट द मोमेंट्स ऑफ दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड द टॉर्क. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर जो मोमेंटम होगा, मोमेंटम जनरेटेड इन दिस बॉडी which is called the angular momentum. So the rate of change of angular momentum is also called the torque. Okay student, the torque just depends on the applied force and the perpendicular distance of the body from its rotational axis. So the torque is F cross S. F is the force and R is the perpendicular distance. Its SI unit is Newton into meter. It is a vector quantity. Its dimensional formula is ml square t minus 2. It can be relates with the angular momentum also because of torque is equal to F cross R and F is known as rate of change of linear momentum, and we know that the r cross p यानी linear momentum into perpendicular distance is the angular momentum. It is denoted by L, so it can be written as dl over dt. Okay, so this is the relation between torque and angular momentum. Okay student, now the principal moments. principal moment क्या होता है कि किसी भी फिक्स्ड पॉइंट के अबाउट किसी रिजिड बॉडी पर more than two or many forces are acting on it, then the many torques also acting on it, exerting on it. Then according to this principle, the total torque exerting on the body about a fixed point is equal to 0. इनका जो टॉर्क होगा, जैसे हमने सपोज किया यहाँ पर कोई एक बॉडी है, दिस इज द बॉडी ए बी आर रिजिड बॉडी एंड इट्स फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इज ओ. तो इस फिक्स्ड पॉइंट के अबाउट ये बॉडी रोटेट करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है बाय द फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन इट. देयर आर टू फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन इट. फर्स्ट F1, सेकंड इज F2 at a distance d1 and d2 from the rotational axis या fixed point. F1 force is responsible, this body is rotating in this direction, and F2 is responsible, this body rotate will in this direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay student, so according to this principle, the total torque exerting on the body must be equal to 0 if the body is in rotational equilibrium. Okay student, so यहाँ पर total torque कितना होगा, F1 के अकॉर्डिंग total torque force into perpendicular distance is d1, so F1 d1. दूसरा F2 d2. ओके, तो यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए, प्लस होना चाहिए, बट दिस इज इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज इन क्लॉकवाइज, सो वी टेक द माइनस साइन. यानी F1 d1 minus F2 d2 is equal to 0. It can be written also F1 d1 is equal to F2 d2 because of this is the anti-clockwise torque and this is the clockwise torque. So we can also state this principle. The total torque acting on the rigid body in clockwise direction is equal to the total torque acting on the body in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay? Thank you, sir.